would spray. Yeah, ooh, ooh, ugh. It's a little intense. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 8. Oh my god, I did 7, day 8. I was like counting in my head too. I was like, dude, 8, and I was like 7. Okay, it is day 8 of March 2018 box week. I can't believe we have 8 consecutive days so far. It's been a really, really awesome box week. You guys got to meet my boyfriend Hammy Bear a couple of days ago. It's been a lot of fun. And so if you're, first of all, if you're brand new to my channel and you're like, who, she just gets right into it. Yeah, we usually jump right in. Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. The reason why is the 1 week every single month that me and my subscribers spend every single day together for 1 week straight. This month we're actually going to be spending together like around 9 or 10 consecutive days, which means there's been a new video every single day, and you're catching us on the 8th day of continual videos. It is a lot of fun. Basically, we hang out, we come back and forth, we make friends in the Just Like Drew crew. So if you're not in the Just Like Drew crew and you want to be, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so tonight on day 8 of box week, what are we opening today? We are opening a box that is seriously, it's like 50-50. Either it's like amazing or it's just like. So tonight we're going to be opening Sephora Play. Sephora Play is from actually Sephora, the company. They have a $10 monthly subscription box. If you're interested in signing up for yourself, I will have a link down below for you to check it out. And just a reminder, we have been filling up this box here. This is our giveaway box of items that we've been filling up for my subscription boxes. It's getting really, really full, guys. Like, I'm honestly about to just like seal it up and send it out to somebody. Basically, I've been taking items I'm getting from subscription boxes. I get so many, and I'm never gonna be able to use all the products I get, and I am giving them away rather than keeping them. So tonight we'll see if we have anything to add from Sephora Play. And this is my man, Mr. John Wayne. He is here to help me open the box. I'm going to cut the seal on this. We're going to get right into it. And another thing to note, Sephora Play used to be a monthly subscription where they didn't really take into account like your personal beauty preferences. And as the last few months, they've actually started sending out products based off of your hair color, skin color, all that kind of stuff. So it's really cool and gotten better over time. All right, so on the very top, they have this little booklet here, and this is basically your Play booklet. This is what you get every single month that kind of tells you about the products you receive in there, as well as you get a card. You take this card into Sephora, you make a purchase, you get 50 bonus Beauty Insider reward points. I love using that every single month because it basically like stockpile the points, and then you can get really cool items when they do like their reward points, especially like on Tuesdays and Thursdays, usually have like special days. All right, every month they have a little bag that says beauty is my spirit animal. It's definitely kind of like a distressed, kind of like tie-dyed blue bag. It's kind of different, not really what I expect for a Sephora Play bag. Usually they're a little bit more like poppin'. I don't know. I mean, usually basic white, but still like not anything that's kind of more distressed. So I'm wondering if this is gonna be something more focused on like quench skin and stuff like that. I don't know. We'll see. All right, the first item I'm pulling out, Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, this is Stila. I'm really sorry. My focus is really bad tonight. In the shade Intense Black. I've actually gotten this before in a separate video, and I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway box. This is a really, really awesome eyeliner. I want somebody to win this and be able to try it out. And also it's a really generous size. That sample is going to last you a really long time. So the first item is going to be going right into the giveaway box. I'm going to set this aside though, and I'll put it in after I recap the box. All right, the next item that I'm pulling out is Amika Soul Food, a nourishing hair mask. Ooh, and this is a really, really good brand of hair care products. Again, my focus is really off tonight. I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway box too. I've been getting a couple hair masks, and I don't think we have any hair masks in the giveaway box yet. So I'm going to put this Amika hair mask in the giveaway box as well, which is like a big style like conditioner, like deep conditioning treatment you can do in your hair. All right, the next item that I have is Supergoop Setting Mist Defense Fresh. Okay, I am going to keep this. I think we got something like this once before. I'm going to spray it on. We've made this mistake before where I automatically spray something, but I'm going to spray it. Also, you hear the little like shakers in it. It's fun. It's like loud. All right. I think the big claim to fame with Supergoop, if it would spray, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ugh. It's a little intense. I should have smelled it first. I've had Supergoop before, so I thought it'd be fine. It's a little intense. The big claim to fame with them is usually that you actually have like UV SPF 50 protection in it. So that's kind of the nice thing about this product. There's SPF 50 in it, so you can use this after you put on your makeup to set it. Can you even see that? Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. To use it to set your makeup in place and to keep it from getting like icky during the day. So, and it also has SPF 50, so when the warm months come along, you're already set up. All right, next item that we have is Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. Okay, I'm gonna try this on the back of my hand. We actually, in the, I think it was the Macy's box, we got the MAC strobe cream, and I put that in the giveaway box. I'm wondering if this is going to be similar and have like that shimmering property to it. Honestly, I'm not really getting much like shimmer from that. I'm a little let down right now. I kind of had a higher expectation. It's kind of like, you know, whatever. I don't know. So this is supposed to be like an illuminating moisture balm. And I honestly was hoping to see something similar to like the MAC strobe cream. And I'm really not getting any like difference or illumination in my skin right now. That's a little... It's a little sad. I'm gonna say it, a little sad. All right, next item that we have is Mistress. This is a hydrating hair balm. I don't know what that means. This innovative leave-in conditioning balm melts into lengths and instantly boosts hydration. Its Feather Light formula detangles and smooths hair, leaving desirable radiance and workability. Air dry for smooth, supple texture, or blow out for soft, lustrous body you crave. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I've never tried this before. So this is Mistress from IGK Hydrating Hair Balm. All right, interesting. All right, and the final item that we have is Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser from Kors. All right, this looks like it is a... All right, a rich, indulgent foaming cream that removes effectively impurities, makeup, and mascara without irritating. All right, I'm actually gonna try this out because I'm always interested in trying out face washes that'll actually like remove mascara and all that, because honestly, like I sometimes hate having to do like makeup remover wipes. All right, so I actually think this was a pretty good box. Definitely items I haven't really seen before, so that's really awesome. To recap, we got the Kors Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser, which is supposed to be strong enough to take off even mascara, but doesn't like irritate your eyes. The Supergoop Setting Mist, which has SPF 50 in it, which was a little bit like more scented than I remember. The Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm, which I felt like this was honestly the kind of letdown in the box. I cannot get this to focus at all because it really didn't illuminate my skin much at all. We got the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm from IGK. I'm excited to try that. The Amika Soul Food Nourishing Hair Mask, which I'm kind of jealous of and want to try, but I'm putting that in the giveaway box. And the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner in Intense Black. So those are actually going right now into the giveaway box. And like I said, I think I'm gonna just send it out soon because I don't want it to get so full to the point where I can't put anything in it to keep anything from like, you know, getting smashed or whatever. So yeah, all right, so that is actually all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure to click the red subscribe button down below and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody already and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you in the next video for day 9 of box week. So it's like box week and a half now. All right, talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye. 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 Bye.